Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and today we have another little portfolio update. And honestly, to be fully honest, I just woke up and it is 9 p.m. That just gives you an idea of how messed up my sleep schedule is during this whole situation right now. So I do apologize, and if some days that I miss these portfolio updates, it's because my schedule is just absolutely ruined. But I still try to get through it even if I'm a little bit late and upload the vid for you guys. But if you do appreciate it, make sure to drop that like on the video, smash that like button. Really does help me out. But as you can see today, we lost about 3% in the stock market, 3.19% today. And then the after hours recovered a little bit for the portfolio. But if you go ahead and check out VOO, which I call it a stock, I mean, it's technically an ETF, as somebody said in the comment section. But I just call everything a stock here, just because it's easier that way. But VOO basically just mirrors the general stock market trend, if you don't know already. And it was down 2.73% today, or 2.68 after you factor in after hours. So this is absolutely what I would consider a stock market crash. I mean, almost a 3% drop in one day is very tremendous, especially like I know that lately we've been used to like down 10% and down 5%, but down like almost 3% is certainly a stock market crash. And as you can see, I lost $836 today with VOO, and as I said earlier, minus 2.68%. And in total, we are down $3,562. Once again, it is past the 10% marker. That hurts a little bit, but long term, it's really not going to matter. And then if you take a look at just our portfolio in general, I forgot to mention that we basically lost $2,000. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. But at least we're still at 65. I think I'm still in the positive. Yeah, we're good. But moving on to the next one, Microsoft, it took a huge hit today as well. Minus 2.52%. We lost $438. Seems that this one started out pretty positive. It started out on an uphill run, and then it pretty much just went down ever since that until the end of the day, and had a little bit of volatility right here. But that's pretty much it, and we're still way in the positive with Microsoft. I love to see it, 9.86% or $1,500. I told you all Microsoft would be a good one, and I still think it's holding up pretty well considering I'm up 1,000, and I just purchased a few months ago. So with Apple as well, we actually didn't lose as much today, so I'm pretty happy. Minus 1.12% or minus 138, and in total that is plus $192, or we're above the water 1.59%. And they actually did a weird move today, like right after the market. I think it was because of like Q1 earnings or something like that. And it stayed above the water just for a little bit, and as you can see, it went back down and kind of had a few up and down actions through here and there. But pretty much it's negative for today. And then finally, we have Tesla. I've talked about this in other videos. I mean, what else can I say? Minus 10.30% today, and then plus 0.74% in after hours. Honestly, if it got near the $600 price range, I would probably purchase. But I still, like I love Tesla, and I think Elon Musk was right on his tweet that it was too high. But I just don't see the point in why in the world he would want to mention that on Twitter unless he has some ulterior motive. Like with an objective viewpoint, like without me having any sort of bias or anything, I do think that Tesla stock was a little bit overvalued at that 878 marker, and even with a subjective viewpoint, I think that. But in my opinion, it was just like one of those unspoken things that especially the CEO of the company would not point out. I definitely wonder if the SEC will get involved with Elon, because that does feel like market manipulation and sort of like goes against their rules, at least from my perspective. But if anything, this just means that it gives long-term investors a better investing opportunity to buy shares at a lower price, which is obviously cool with me. If we could get it under $600 again, I'd probably purchase a few more shares. But for now, I'm going to take it easy, and I'm going to keep my eyes on Microsoft. So as you can see, we lost 9.64% in total, or minus $603. And then in total, we are down 12.96%, or $841. So not too bad. It's all part of a thing. Like with Tesla, volatility is normal. And in the long term, this is going to be a multi-$1,000 stock, at least in my opinion. But anyways, that's my portfolio today. And as always, anything that I say or have said is not to be considered financial advice. It's simply me talking about the market, the moves that I'm making, and my opinions about all of this. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to smash that like button. And if you'd like to begin investing, feel free to use my referral links to Robinhood and Webull, and you'll get a free stock, which is pretty awesome. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. I hope your Friday ended off pretty well, but I appreciate y'all watching.